No blueprints, no mercy, just raw construction tips and hacks. Meet Leveler, back saver on site. Heavy footings, no more strain. Lift smarter, stay fresh, and still get it done. New kid, new setup. Old bed out, custom build in. Something the kids will brag about for years. Unload with ease. Drill flips the whole move into effortless mode. CGC mud plus tape fused into one tool. Joints go down perfect in one pass. Dreaming of a ceiling that actually hits? Grab some foil. Punch and blade. Thick baseboard quarters snap together easy, inside and out. No heavy grind, just clean fits. Peep this DIY rig. Sheet lifting to the roof just went smooth. Wall decor feeling basic? Add slime gel to the paint, and it comes out with a wild, one-of-a-kind texture. Thermal cam on your phone equals X-ray vision for floors. Spot every heating line before you even touch a tool. Bucket plus foil plus trendy paint, and boom! Your ceiling just dropped a designer chandelier on a zero-budget flex. Grinder just got a brain. Blocks get sliced on a locked angle, sharp every pass. Lock in. This tool carves dead-on fluted lines, tight control, real architectural magic. Laser blocked, screws everywhere. Lift it up, tape the bit, mark the first screw. Now the line pops and you're back in control. Check this out. Flatboard turns into a smooth curve. Shelf bends reality and messes with your brain. Airflow without breaking the seal. Zip wall pass-through keeps it tight while ducting out dust, fumes, and heat. Dry stone vibes Mallorca style. But plot twist, it's all plaster. Sculpted so crisp, it fakes the real deal hard. Ain't no way that's real! Drill unlocked another perk. Turns into a mini compactor and packs concrete tight. Perfect hole with no purchase. Done and dusted. Tile drop couldn't go any faster. Blink, and the whole stack's already down. You're definitely stealing this DIY gadget. No way you're not. ceiling never shined this hard. Straight glow up overhead. This one needs a patent ASAP. How did nobody think of this sooner? This beast runs the glue. Clamped, coated, straight to the wall, cleaner than any human could pull off. Bro grabbed a welder and went full beast mode. Next thing you know, he's rocking doors that look fresh out of a custom metal shop showcase. Bet this one's new to you. Square tube gets sliced and flipped into a perfect 45-degree curve like it was born that way. Roof looking like a design fail? This dude pulls up with a brainy fix that flips the whole mess into a clean, smart upgrade. Hold up, what? Snap, stack, pour, and the house builds itself, powered by Home Block. Tape for a cut. That's galaxy brain stuff. This one's going in the memory bank. No wall 5 minutes ago. Now it's up with sliding doors baked in. Drywall just pulled a full-on magic trick. Awesome! 0.47 inches slate getting sliced clean. That kind of control is pure gifted hands. Line up 2 pieces dead on. No drift, perfect joint every time. Slab system. 1 pass, dialed in base. Fully insulated slab, no cold bridges, heat locked in, ready for underfloor heating. Tin can on the heat gun, and that recess goes in buttery smooth, dream level clean. Idea meets execution. Criminally satisfying. Can't even scroll past. These tricky tile trims, skip the struggle. Homemade jig turns it into clean, repeatable perfection. Profiles as holders. That's a slick brain move. 7 pallets deep, 20 boards in, $250 burned. And now the backyard's rocking a terrace that looks way too expensive for what it cost. That rubber band just broke my brain. Rail locked in, screeding concrete like an absolute machine. Tape flips the script. Slick surface turns into instant grip. No slip zone unlocked. Rounded drywall corners hitting flawless. Sharp edges officially out of the chat. Hit like if you want your yard rolling this fresh. Bottle cap goes rogue, snaps into a pipe clamp like it's been waiting for this gig its whole life. Wish everything spawned this fast. Stairs skirt board just popped in like instant build mode. One remote, one operator, and this beast sends 660 pounds flying roof high like gravity took a day off. Vacuum just got promoted. Cable runner mode unlocked. Wires sliding through as if they've got their own GPS. Bucket shrink hack. You'll likely never use it, but it's weirdly brilliant. Run it this way. Profile locks in tight, no wiggle, no weak spots. Built to hold. Dude's mixing useful with must-have like a pro. All-purpose, clean win. Floor busted, seamless fix, zero trace. Like it never happened. Seams didn't get fixed. They got erased. This tool just wiped them out. Underfloor heating done right. Step in, follow along, and lock it in tight from start to finish. Watch this, and you'll be stamping your own concrete like it's nothing. Crooked wall, one nail, and your rafters snap back in line. Simple fix, no drama. Cross-line move hits. Tiny tweak, massive payoff. Catch this. Spin that nut fast, and finally save your fingers from the grind. Not just replacing your helper, this setup holds steadier than a second pair of hands ever could. Forget expensive Quonset huts. This genius shotcrete on foam hack is 50% easier. A budget-friendly way to build a 3-meter bunker and save serious cash. Leak fix goes spot on. This concrete seal spreads smoother than icing on a wedding cake. Homemade rig dialing it in. Every plank snaps straight. Nails line up like laser guided. Catch the solo wall raising show. Wall jacks doing the heavy lift, while one guy runs the whole build. This genius triple shovel hack clears dirt 3 times faster. It covers 90 centimeters at once, saving hours of backbreaking digging. Total efficiency. Stud in the way? Don't fight it. Outsmart it and keep the build moving. Don't forget to sub and ring the bell, or you'll miss the next secret drop. bottle with a hole sounds dumb, but works like a genius cheat code. Cold creeping through the sill gets shut down. Drill the window frame, foam it up, and winter's officially locked out. Fast cut locked in. Under roof vents drop in crisp, no struggle. Have you ever heard about modular living? This 4-container home features a 3-meter overhanging console, proving that affordable construction can also be incredibly stylish and modern. Watch this pro move. Pipes stay spotless while the wall gets coated flawless. Watch these builders construct a vertical wooden tower. Using locally sourced timber and old pallets, this off-grid home is a sustainable and low-cost alternative to traditional methods. Dead space under the stairs? Not anymore. This niche turns wasted air into full-on function. Fireproof your build like that. This 6mm hempcrete mix uses a 1-to-1 lime ratio to create panels that simply won't burn. Here's how using 5-centimeter thick bamboo poles to create a waterproof roof allows you to build attractive shelters at minimal cost. Heads up! Brickwork under the window gets a slick pattern that locks in tight and looks razor sharp. This stone fence isn't just stacked, it turns a basic yard into a timeless, built-to-last flex. Few moves in, and boom! Drywall gets its own ride. Protect your garden almost for free. This wire tunnel hack lets chickens roam safely without expensive fencing. It's a low-cost solution for any backyard. 6.4-foot larch posts locking the shoreline. Twin excavators threading them in like needles. Heavy steel moving with unreal finesse. Tape measure hits boss level, stretches out, and turns into a mini lift. Say goodbye to cold feet. This clever floor heating hack uses PEX piping spaced 15 centimeters apart to distribute warmth evenly and efficiently. Peep stud sticks, built to carry every coil you throw at it. No bend, no drama. Wild hack. Just hope she never spots her MAC lipstick lining up your door latch. Trust me. Build with dirt. As the next earth bag hack uses soil bags to create a super insulated home. It's an eco-friendly, energy-saving option without cement. With this stencil, it's easy mode. Drop a 6-foot level on the center line, run it plumb, scribe the loop, and you're locked in. No stud finder, no blind nail hunts. How about a dream cabin for a bargain? This life hack uses recycled wooden pallets to create a shelter that's surprisingly sturdy and will be weatherproof with insulation. Excavator just hijacked the pour. Foundation goes down like it's running its own show. Say goodbye to that hole the right way. Quick, clean, no trace. These guys get it. Speed pays, and they're cashing in. Post, drop in a fresh base. Fence snaps back like it never flinched. Save this. Cross-edge install made easy. This pro hack shows how to do lean concrete with absolute precision, ensuring a smooth 10-centimeter finish every time with just pallet prefabrication. Grab this step-by-step magnetic access hatch build that screams big brain solution. No ladder needed. Profile marking reaches where you don't. Slate install leveled up. Corner cuts dialed in for a tight, sharp fit. Genius masonry hack. Use an old car tire as a mold to build flawless brick arches without any expensive temporary forms. Angles on sheets simplified. Quick trick that locks the cut fast and lands it spot on. Peep the simplicity. This little rig bends a balcony edge into a factory smooth curve. New brush on deck. Corners stay crisp, no smears, just sharp lines. Sealant tube isn't one time. Crack it open, reload it your way, and run it back. No thanks needed. Scrap plastic into gold. This clever trick transforms construction leftovers into good-looking chairs just like that. A perfect, budget-friendly workshop addition. With Einlat Blitz 2000, roof lath install goes full auto. Cuts, sets, and nails in one shot. Zero slowdowns. Pros keep this nail trick locked. We're dropping it anyway. Everyone has static roofs, but this innovative retractable roof slides open, giving your workshop a high-end feel or place for your own observatory. Genius! Scraping extra mud off the floor shouldn't wreck your back. Dude cracked it! Pure genius. Roller plus tape. Low-key the MVP duo. That hit different. Watch the hands, and you'll catch how water damage on the facade gets fixed fast. No router, no saw, just a blade and skill. Score, snap, tight to the studs. Crisp doorway. That one coworker, worth their weight in gold on site. Vac hookup upgrade. Dust gets shut off before it even starts. This changes everything. Paving lives or dies by the spread. This tool lays it down on point. No misses. Use tubes, and you can pull a clean screw out of concrete like it was never buried. Solo job? This tiny trick holds your boards for you, and suddenly everything runs easy. Water it on schedule. This build might just sprout in a couple weeks. Tape steps in, nails benched. Curved baseboard hugs the wall with 0 holes. Wrench sets the depth. Drill hits the mark every time. No guessing. This baluster marking trick's a must-watch. Yeah, that's insane! Chainsaw isn't just brute, it's a chain of tiny chisels. Dial it in, and it cuts crazy precise. PVC door edging leveled easy. Cleanest thing today. No way that just worked! Secret move unlocked. Every piece clicks together like a perfect puzzle. Look at this satisfying textured wall application with a foam roller and heat. Beam puller in action. Small tool, big move. Walls shift like they're on rails, no matter the size. Zip tie clutch. Pipe gets cinched like it owes you money. 0 wiggle. Say hello to this rebar hack. Just nails, and you're bending steel like it's basic skill. Perfect corner measurement. Suddenly, geometry makes sense. I need a replay. You? Behold Fin Builder. Slit form wizardry. No bricks, just faster builds, lower cost, and walls that hit way tougher. Yeah, that's insane! Okay, that's just unfair. I'm building that stone wall. Just gotta level up my trowel game first. Metal door on hide mode. Simple trick, and it disappears into the wall like it was never meant to be seen. Eyes on this pro. Concrete work goes fast, tight, and done right. Roof sponge just dropped. Looks goofy, works like a charm. Locking into any angle or awkward edge like that. Yeah, that's award-level craftsmanship now. One sealant line, and it's suddenly a full precision operation. Ever hung a mirror? Learn this now. Saves you from a crooked disaster later. That's a wrap. Now, drop your wildest hack in the comments. The craziest one gets pinned. If your brain just leveled up, hit that sub and stay locked. More wild builds dropping soon.